Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mr. Addison of Property Hunter Ghana. Today, I am in Old Ashongman. This is a two-bedroom, semi-detached, almost completed house that is on the market or is going on the market. The owner will be finishing it before you move in, so the price that will be quoted is for a finished house. You'll be finishing it before you move in. This will be very good for someone who wants to buy the two units. If you want to buy both units, that would be fantastic. The gentleman, the fine young gentleman, doing fantastic job. He builds and sell them, and he wants to market this one as quickly as possible because the price on it, I mean, if you should take more than 1 day to call me. By the time you call, they would have sold I would have sold it already, because the price is really really good. Just behind the hill there, are some well-known estates, and two-bedroom houses, semi-detached, a similar design as this one, is going for about $60,000-$70,000, and this one is only going for 150,000 Ghana cedis. That's around $30,000 or so. Very very moderate. It's not even moderate. It's a giveaway price, cheap as anything you can have. So the house currently is not completed. It's still under construction. I think the guy said by Monday they will come to do the roofing and the rest of the finishing. I will show you a sample of the finishing he's done, or a finished house he built, so that you can see how he finished his houses. Fantastic property. This is a two-bedroom semi-detached. So this is one unit, this two-bedroom, and this other unit is another two-bedroom semi-detached. So if you are interested, people always call me that, Mr. Addison, I want something very cheap, I want something affordable, but I want it in Accra. Sometimes when I give people two-bedroom in Kaswa, they say, oh, I don't like Kaswa. This is in Old Ashongman. The Medina area is in the background there, and this area goes towards Abokobi, Oyarifa area. And as I said, just behind the mountain there are some estates that are being sold for $60,000, $70,000 per similar two-bedroom house, and there are all sort of gated estate all around this area. This a developing area, developing very quickly. Lot of fantastic houses being built all around this place, and the prices on them, this one is almost a giveaway. So the house is not completed, as I said, it's under construction. This area will be your living room. So this will be your living room. Good size living room. I mean, some of the two-bedroom I've entered in, you see that they squeeze the land so much that the living rooms and the rooms are very small. But this one, he has a good size to them. This will be your dining, and when you enter this way, you will have your kitchen. Will be just here, fantastic, and the window and everything, and you have a back access to the back of the house. So this will be the back of the house. Really nice airy area just here, in Old Ashongman. I mean, I've sold houses that are of similar build in the same area for $110,000 for a three-bedroom house, and this two-bedroom is going for 150,000 Ghana cedis. Can you imagine? So I always tell people, you have to subscribe to the channel, and when you subscribe, don't just subscribe, hit the bell icon. Click on the bell icon. That will be your guest bath. Click on the bell icon to make sure you are notified anytime such properties goes up, because you don't get such deals often. Such deals don't come very often. This is one of the bedroom, and the bath will be here, and this will be the bedroom. Good size bedroom. Good size bedroom. You could start a family here. The only problem in this area will probably be the road. I'm biting my tongue. The only problem here will be the road network. For every new developing area, the road network is not so good. But if you could get past that, you have a really really good property on your hand just here. You could do fantastic with this property. Give me a call right now. People who delay, a lot of people delay in calling me, but by the time they call, I tell them that the house has been sold. If you delay, the house will be sold before you call. So give me a call right now, and let's discuss this one. This one, don't call me an act of reduction, because this is a giveaway price. You can't get anywhere. And as I said, the house will be completed before it's sold to you. Let's look at the other side. A similar design. The house will be completed, fully completed, before it's sold to you. So don't call and ask of reduction for this one. As for this one, there's no reduction. The price is a giveaway price. I mean, they are just dashing you the house, almost dashing you the house. So call me quickly and let's start. I won't say negotiation, because this one, what are you going to negotiate about? This is a giveaway price. The wood, solid wood they are using for the roofing. As I said, by Monday they will come and complete the roofing. The project will be completed by August. Latest by August, the project should be completed and ready to be handed over to you. So don't delay. As I said, don't delay. Give me a call right now. Call me right now and let's start getting this underway. You have to call quickly. Some people delay too much. By the time they call me, I say the house has been sold. Stop the delay tactics. It won't help. Call quickly and let's get this property in your hand as quickly as possible. And if you know a friend or someone who is in the market to buy a 2-bedroom house, call the person right now. Tell the person, or share the video with the person. Tell the person to call me quickly and let's get this thing in his hand. I mean, this is not Kaswa. This is Old Ashongman, just near the Medina market area, not far from University of Ghana and things like that. So you are in the middle of town, a newly developing area, fantastic area. You could get this at a giveaway price. Can you imagine? 150,000 Ghana cedis. 150,000 Ghana cedis. In old currency, that would be 1.5 billion. This is a giveaway price. Similar houses here are being sold for $70,000. That's almost 350,000 Ghana cedis. So if you get this one, I mean, this is Don't Come. We call it Don't Come. Giving it to you at a giveaway price. So don't hesitate. Call me quickly and let's get you in this property. Let me show you similar properties he built, and let me show you the finishing he does on it. The finishing are fantastic. So let me show you how those finishing looks like.